CoCo continues up the Georgia ICW, fighting the wind and dodging shoals. We sail the ICW all the way up to Beaufort, South Carolina. The episode ends with CoCo passing through the Ladies Island Bridge. Oh man, that current. Just to show you how crazy this current is, we usually go about 5.5 knots with our motors on full throttle, and we're only going 1.4 right now. We're basically at anchor. I mean, look at this buoy right here. Water is moving through. Some of the spots we stayed in Georgia last year, the water level would drop 8 feet during low tide. So yeah, a lot of water moving through here. So what's going on in here?
Well, Ethan's about to clean out all the pasta that's spilled out of a bag in the bottom of that cabinet.
Really? Oh, Ethan.
Let me see.
It wasn't me, it was Mom. Leaving a little flutter on that jib right now because we got some crazy gusts. Just gusts out of nowhere. And good morning, guys. We left our anchors this morning. We're averaging about, I would say 6.5 right now. We're cooking. And we are in the swampy ICW of Georgia, as you guys already know. Look at this around me. Going with the current right now, so that's also helping our speed. That plus the sails, plus the engines, believe it or not, only gets us to 6.5 knots. CoCo is not the fastest boat, but at least she's pretty comfortable. Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you.
This is pretty exciting. Not many mothers get to do this on their day.
It's true. You're very right. I do love this. The ICW is a perfect way to spend Mother's Day.
Georgia ICW is rough with the bugs. That thing about these ones is we know they're biters, so. And it's weird because we have some wind, so I would think the bugs wouldn't be on us, but they don't even care.
Ethan's been making Mother's Day breakfast for our mother. This is what it looks like.
How do you rate Ethan's Mother's Day French toast? Oh, Dad needs you. He's coming.
I rate it
He's coming.
a 9.5 out of 10.
All right,
It's
we'll
pretty
take it.
good, but I take away some points just because. Actually, what?
He's taking points away as he eats it.
It looks hectic out there. Trying to get jib to work, but we're kind of going right into this wind. Conditions are pretty rough. Of course the GoPro can't see that though. You know what I'm talking about. If you've ever tried to capture like, I don't know, waves and stuff like that, it's just, cameras just can't capture it. At least the GoPro can, but I don't know. It never does. Never gets what it truly is. We're actually rocking quite a bit. Not as bad as I thought it would be, but it's still pretty bad. It is the best Mother's Day ever, right? This makes for a pretty sweet party.
Gotta be a pretty hardcore mom to be out here.
Yeah.
Shows don't go anywhere you go.
Just past the red buoy, and the water dropped from like 80 feet, and now it's at only 10 feet. So, pretty sketchy, but I think we'll be fine because we went all the way around this huge sand patch. So.
was your Mother's Day? Oh, it's pretty good. I mean, I just want to be anywhere in the world with you guys. I just enjoyed some amazing French toast as my Mother's Day gift. It was so good. And we also we made it safely out of that inlet. And yeah, we're just back cruising on the icy dubs. Back there, the wind did the same thing, and we were at a completely different angle. So we keep going right into the wind, so our sail's not working, and then we go a happy 2 knots.
It's been a very long day on the ICW. We left at like 8 o'clock and right now it's like 8 o'clock. So it's been a long one. We are dropping anchor right now somewhere in Georgia.
Yeah, it came up. You want to pull on it?
This ICW water looks like coffee. Coffee without the creamer.
We are entering Hell's Gate. Got some seriously low depths in here. And a really windy current. And about 25 knots wind.
Ethan has a big announcement. He has passed 8th grade.
Finally.
How long have you been going at this?
Since the beginning of
The school year. So, congratulations, Ethan. So what are you gonna do with your free time now?
Me and Petey found a recipe on Pinterest for peanut butter brownies, and we just finished making the batter. Let's see how they turn out.
We should mix it around so it's smoother. Hopefully they turn out good because, I don't know, you never know with the online recipes.
Guess where we're anchoring right now? You wouldn't guess it, because we're anchoring in South Carolina. We out of Georgia. Anchoring at Hilton Head Island. Looks like they're having a big fuss over there. I don't know why.
I told him to take it out of the oven, but he said it jiggled, so
Ethan burnt the cake. When we go under this bridge, we will be in Beaufort. Beaufort is right over there. You can actually see the Forrest Gump Bridge way off. But yeah, we're gonna maybe go into town, get some food, just chill, because we're scheduled to go in the boatyard on Monday, and we're a bit early. So yeah, that's the plan.
Beaufort, South Carolina, at the Beaufort Downtown Marina. We're just stopping at the fuel dock to get some fuel and water.
I know. I should take that screen out. The screen does come out.
We got 2 mustard dogs and 2 plain dogs.
and another plain dog.
And another plain dog. And a
Oh, it's
chocolate
like-
milkshake. Wow, Ethan.
And free chips.
Not
Gave
bad.
the chips to us for free.
We just left the free dock after a very yummy meal. These guys are cleaning up lines, tidying up fenders, getting everything put away.
Excuse me.
And the Ladies Island Bridge is just about to open for us. It is the month of May, and it is after 6 p.m., which means that they open on request. The rest of the days and the times and months and everything change. So make sure you check your whatever app you're using there to get the bridge schedule.
I feel bad, guys. It looks like we held up a lot of traffic.